Imagine waking up to find your bank account fuller than the night before, all without lifting a finger. Is it magic? No, it's the power of passive income. In today's digital age, making money while you sleep is not just a dream, it's a reality. But how do you tap into this lucrative world of passive income? In this video, we'll explore 3 lazy yet effective methods to fill your pockets without breaking a sweat. But before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying "I subscribe." We, at Cash Summit Squad, will try to personally reply to your comment. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Cloud mining. Let your money work for you. As the cryptocurrency market continues to surge, traditional mining methods are becoming less practical for everyday individuals. But fear not, cloud mining offers a hassle-free solution. Cryptocurrency mining traditionally requires expensive hardware and consumes substantial energy. However, cloud mining allows you to bypass these challenges by renting mining power from remote data centers. One standout platform in this realm is ID mining. ID mining boasts a diverse array of cryptocurrency mining options, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, all accessible without the need for costly equipment. Transparency is key with ID mining, offering users real-time tracking of their mining progress and fees. With a minimal investment starting at just $50, ID mining is an accessible gateway to cryptocurrency mining for anyone seeking passive income. The process of cloud mining is simple. Users purchase mining contracts from a provider like ID mining, which then allocates a share of its mining power to the user. This means you can start mining cryptocurrencies without the need to set up hardware, deal with maintenance, or worry about electricity costs. It's truly a hands-off approach to generating passive income. One of the most attractive features of cloud mining is its scalability. With traditional mining, expanding your operation requires significant investment in hardware and infrastructure. In contrast, cloud mining allows you to scale your mining operation with ease. You can increase your mining power by purchasing additional contracts, allowing you to capitalize on the growth of the cryptocurrency market without the headaches of hardware maintenance. ID mining stands out among cloud mining providers for its reliability and transparency. Users can trust that their investments are in good hands, with clear visibility into their mining activity and earnings. Additionally, ID mining offers excellent customer support, ensuring that users have assistance whenever they need it. In conclusion, cloud mining offers an accessible and convenient way to participate in the cryptocurrency market and earn passive income. With platforms like ID mining leading the way, anyone can get started with cloud mining, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources. So why not let your money work for you? Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Turn recommendations into revenue. Affiliate marketing presents a simple yet effective way to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning commissions on sales. Getting started with affiliate marketing is straightforward. Find a product or service you believe in, sign up for its affiliate program, and receive a unique affiliate link. This link tracks purchases made through your promotions, earning you commissions on each sale. One of the greatest advantages of affiliate marketing is its accessibility. You don't need to create your own products or services. Instead, you leverage existing offerings and earn a share of the profits. This means you can start earning money without the need for significant upfront investment or overhead costs. Promotion methods vary, from creating content like reviews or articles to leveraging social media platforms. Successful affiliate marketers focus on providing value to their audience by creating high-quality content that educates and entertains. By building trust and rapport with your audience, you increase the likelihood of them clicking on your affiliate links and making purchases. The key to success in affiliate marketing lies in choosing the right products to promote. Look for products or services that align with your interests, expertise, and audience's needs. Consider factors such as product quality, commission rates, and affiliate program terms before making your selection. Once you've chosen your niche and selected affiliate products, it's time to start promoting. Create compelling content that highlights the benefits of the products or services you're promoting and includes your affiliate links. Experiment with different promotional strategies to see what resonates best with your audience. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible and scalable income stream. As you build your audience and refine your promotional strategies, your earning potential grows. With dedication and persistence, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income that complements your existing revenue streams. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a powerful way to turn your recommendations into revenue. By leveraging your influence and expertise, you can earn money while helping others discover valuable products and services. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or content creator, affiliate marketing offers endless opportunities to monetize your online presence and build a sustainable income stream. Number 3, dropshipping. Build your online empire without inventory. Dropshipping revolutionizes e-commerce by eliminating the need to stock inventory or handle shipping logistics. With dropshipping, you partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Your role is to market and sell products through your online store, earning profits on each sale. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional retail models that require significant upfront investment in inventory, dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to start selling products with minimal financial risk. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to launch an e-commerce business without the need for substantial capital. Dropshipping also offers unparalleled flexibility. Since you don't need to manage inventory or handle shipping, you can run your dropshipping business from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're a digital nomad traveling the world or a stay-at-home parent looking for a side hustle, dropshipping allows you to build and manage your online store on your own terms. Another advantage of dropshipping is its scalability. With traditional retail models, scaling your business often requires expanding your physical infrastructure and inventory. In contrast, dropshipping allows you to scale your business rapidly and efficiently. As your sales volume grows, you can easily add new products to your store and partner with additional suppliers to meet demand. While dropshipping offers many benefits, it's important to understand that it's not without its challenges. Since you're relying on third-party suppliers to fulfill orders, you may encounter issues such as inventory shortages, shipping delays, or product quality issues. However, with careful planning and communication with your suppliers, these challenges can be minimized. In conclusion, dropshipping offers a lucrative opportunity to build an online empire without the hassle of inventory management and shipping logistics. With its low barrier to entry, flexibility, and scalability, dropshipping is an ideal business model for aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs. By leveraging the power of dropshipping, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality and build a successful online business that generates passive income for years to come. In the quest for passive income, these 3 lazy methods offer promising opportunities for financial growth without the need for constant effort. Whether you're intrigued by the allure of cryptocurrency, the simplicity of affiliate marketing, or the hands-off nature of dropshipping, there's a path to passive income that suits your lifestyle. Embrace the lazy way to wealth and watch your bank account grow while you enjoy the fruits of minimal effort. To explore further into our top recommended approach and reveal the ultimate strategy for quick cash flow, just click the link in the description below. Let's accelerate your path to financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on mastering the art of passive income. Until next time, stay lazy and stay prosperous.